So I'm doing a distilling alcohol, making bourbon, vodka, moonshine, whatever your gin, whatever your kind of favourite brew is. I'm going to show you how to do it from the beginning to the end and all the tricks that I've learned along the way. There's no real book that you can read to get all this right, but I've kind of learnt the hard way on how to do this efficiently, fast and cheaply. So you'll see ingredients like what we've got here. This is typically what I use to make a brew, $6 worth of gear. And out of that you'll produce about 3 litres to 4 litres of 45%. So if you're interested in this kind of content, follow, subscribe, whatever. It's the little tips and the tricks that are the real key to this one. You know, you could go and read a book about it, but it's not how it works. Go through things like return on investment. You know, what's it cost to actually buy all the gear needed from scratch? And then, you know, what's the kind of where you're breaking even? Where's your return on investment for doing that? Which I can tell you is very, very quick. Probably one of the best return on investments you'll see in your life. The tricks that I've got are multiple controllers for temperature, which gives me the most pure, the most smooth alcohol probably coming into Australia at the moment. It's all about temperature. And this is Grumpy Eddie, the brew cat. He's out here helping Dad, making sure I'm doing it right. Being this is coming out in such good quality, 85%, I could run my car on this, lawnmowers, whatever. Really clean, good ethanol, can't beat it.